Hi guys, today I'll show you how to remove the Huawei ID from Huawei Y7 with unlock tool. Just open the unlock tool, then write in the search bar 710F. This one is Kirin 710F, so just like this, because this model is not mentioned, then click the EMC unlock. Okay, then click unlock fast boot, then make a test point. You see in video how can make test point, then just do it. Wait few seconds. Yeah, phone is now connected. Then see the unlock tool, follow the instruction. See, you have to again the test point, remove the battery and put again battery, then make a test point. This one going to fast boot mode. Just you have to wait when the completed. Wait few seconds for fast booting. Yeah, now his phone first booted. Now you have to go function, then just make click a OMU backup. Oh. You can save anywhere. What do you want? Any drive, in also desktop you can save. Make a new folder. Write anything. What do you want? When you need, you can get easily from this location. Now you can't save because you have to write the name, file name, then you can save. Still write OMU, then click save. Now is OMU backup completed. Now you have to do erase the OMU. See, there is the option erase the OMU. Click erase the OMU. Now OMU is clear. OMU erase already. Now you can phone reboot. It's your phone is done.
Alhamdulillah.
See?
Is there a Apple Watch?
This Huawei ID is the gone. Click the go back. Finish. See, now phone is